Okay, so you were replying clear and written. Let me know if there is doubt. You may ask. Okay. Everyone, tell me. Clear. Let me read the still writing. Okay, write it. Write it. Write it. Okay. Just give me a second. Let me read the chat. We can make calculation simplification by multiplying r and 2.303 and writing it directly in formula. Yes. Okay, what he is trying to say is very good thing. First of all, write this down and let me know in the chat box clear and written so that I can move. One calculation simply that is a nice trick. Okay, yes, it's a nice trick. See, now these things are coming from you. That's a very good thing because these are the calculation tricks and which will actually go into your individual list of formulae. Daily जे तुम्ही घरी जाऊन अभ्यास करता परत एकदा वाचताय ना परत फिजिक्स रोज वाचताय ना परत येस वाचायचं आहे ते ओके जस्ट रीड ऑल दी थिंग्स which are taught today and just list down the calculation trick and the formula तेवढं फक्त list down करायचं okay calculation trick आणि formula now here we will be having one calculation trick which will be very simple thing see 2.303 into r these are going to be constant things okay 2.303 into r these are going to be constant things okay so just pull up the calculator and just calculate it 2.303 into 8.314 try to do the exact calculation we'll use the calculator here 2.303 into r is 8.314 take r as 8.314 and let me know the exact answer to the 2 or 3 decimal places 8.314 into 2.303 what is that 19.15 that's it 19.15 NT sorry 19.15 log to the base 10 V2 upon V1 that's it this is just trick this is just calculation trick this will reduce the calculation at least it will simplify somewhat because ऐनवेळी कुठे करत बसणार आहे ते 2.303 into r आत्ताच करून टाकूया लक्षात राहिलं ठीक नाही राहिलं ठीक तरी पण काय अडचण नाही okay fine you may make this 2.303 as 23 no problem or 2.3 only and you can just use the table of 23 and you just carry out the multiplication that is also valid okay but that will take at least 5 or 10 seconds but instead of that 19.15 will not take any time okay fine sir now this is the formula that you have to remember star mark so you have to remember this formula for the work done in isothermal process okay sir now sir what if we are not given the values of final and initial volume instead of that let us sir say that we are given the values of final and initial pressures see temperature value they must give temperature value they must give they don't have any option but they have one more option instead of giving the values of volume they may give us the values of pressure so in that case what to do is this we know PV is equal to nRT but T is constant R is constant N is equal to constant okay for isothermal process PV is going to be a constant value because N is constant R is constant temperature is also constant so PV is equal to constant so initial pressure into initial volume must be equal to final pressure into final volume so P1 V1 must be equal to P2 V2 so sir what is V2 upon V1 see V2 as it is divided by V1 will be equal to P1 as it is divided by P2 so sir V2 upon V1 can be replaced by P1 upon V2 So the formulae for work done will be 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 V2 upon V1, and the same V2 upon V1 you can replace by 2.303 nRT log to the base 10. Instead of V2 upon V1, just write P1 upon P2, sequence reverse. V2 upon V1, P1 upon P2, because for isothermal process we have P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So V2 upon V1 is P1 upon P2, sequence reverse. I remember only this formula. I do not remember this pressure wala formula. I just don't remember. I remember this one. And I know P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. So I can formulate one more. I can formulate this one. Pressure formula. Pressure wala formula. Right? Hope it is clear to all of you. Write it down and let me know in the chat box so that I can rub the things and go ahead. Good. V2 means final volume. V1 means initial volume. P1 means initial pressure. P2 means final pressure. Okay. So work done in isothermal process is now clear to us. Okay. And again, the fact remains the same. If the volume increases, work done will be positive value. If the volume decreases, work done should be a negative value. Let us try to verify it. Okay. Just focus on this formula. Just focus on this formula. If volume increases, V2 will be more than V1. If volume increases, expansion, V2 will be more than V1. V2 upon V1 will be more than 1. V2 upon V1 will be more than 1. More than 1 is a log positive vastu. Log of value more than 1 is positive. Log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. But log of value more than 1 is more than 0. Means positive. Log 0 is, sorry, not log 0. It's log 1. Log 1 is what? Log 1 is 0. Log of value which is more than 1 is positive. And log of value base any base any. Log of value which is less than 1, log of value which is less than 1 is negative value. Okay. Log 1 is 0. Log of value more than 1 is positive. Log of value less than 1 is negative. So if the final volume is more, it is expansion. V2 upon V1 will be a value more than 1. More than 1 is a log positive. So this value is positive. Temperature is always positive. SI unit मतलब temperature, Kelvin मतलब temperature is always going to be a positive. R is positive, N is positive, 2.303 is positive. So everything will be a positive value. So work done in expansion is positive. And similarly, work done in compression, V2 will be less than V1, final volume will be less and initial volume will be more. So it is compression. So initial volume more means V2 upon V1 is less than 1. Log of value which is less than 1 is negative. Log of value which is less than 1 is negative. So that log will come out to be a negative value. Negative into positive is going to be negative. Negative into positive will be negative. So in that case, work done will automatically come out to be negative. We simply have to put the values of P1 and V2. Just put the values, you will get automatically positive or negative answer on its own. Okay, we don't have to do anything separately for work done in this formula. Okay, sign ची काळजी आपण करायची नाहीये. The care of the sign is actually being taken by the formula itself. Okay, so we don't have to worry about it. All right, sir. So this is all about work done in isothermal process. This is all about work done in isothermal process. Okay, so there can be isothermal compression and there can be isothermal expansion. So we can write in isothermal, just write down, in isothermal expansion. See, it is expansion. Ultimately, it is expansion. Whether it is isothermal or non-isothermal, that won't matter. It is, if it is expansion, W is going to be positive. It is expansion. And in isothermal compression, ultimately it is compression. Volume is decreasing. So in that case, work done will be a negative value. You can represent those two things like this. Let us draw same two curves, pressure volume curve, same curves, isothermal curves, because pressure is inversely proportional to volume. But here you can observe this is expansion. This arrow indicating that volume is increasing, and this arrow is indicating that volume is decreasing. So this is expansion. So work done काय असेल बाय? It's going to be a positive value, and this is compression. This is compression. So work done is going to be a negative value. Understood? The arrows will play the role also. Okay, these arrows will play the role also in deciding the sign of the work done. We will solve so many questions that there won't be any, so that there won't be any misunderstanding about signs. Okay, we will solve the questions. Just don't worry about that. The formula itself takes care of the sign, so we as such don't have to worry about. But you can just give a verification whether it is expansion, whether it is compression. If it is expansion, then the final work should be a positive value. If it is a compression, then final work done should be a negative value. At least that kind of verification we can give, okay, or we can do. Fine. Now the second type of process, first type of process we are done with now. Now the second type of process, just write down isochoric. But sir, we already know work done in isochoric process. Isochoric, volume constant. So what is the work done general formula? So general formula is integration P dV. Initial volume and final volume are going to be same. Okay. During the process also, this is not only initial and final volume same, but also during the process a very small amount of change in volume is also zero. Volume is not at all changing. Volume is not at all changing. Okay, this is not a cyclic process. You may say, sir, this is a cyclic process and therefore initial state equal to final state. No, this is not a cyclic process. Final volume and initial volume are same because piston is not at all moving. Okay, initially piston moved up, then again came down. No, in that case there will be some work done. There might be some work done. Okay, in this cyclic process there might be some work done. Okay, but this is not a cyclic process. I am saying that very small works, very small changes in volumes are itself zero. So we will write it like this. That's it. That's it. So work done in isochoric. Over. Third, work done in isobaric. Okay, isobaric. We know, sir, in the isobaric process pressure is constant. Isothermal zala, isochoric zala, now it's isobaric. Okay, what is work done general formula? Sir, it is P delta V, sorry, P dV. Volume goes from V1 to V2. But sir, pressure is constant, so constant can be taken out of the integration. Yes, sir. What is integration dV? Sir, it is V. What is integration dV? It is V. What are the limits? Sir, V1 and V2. Sir, P as it is, upper limit V2 minus lower limit V1. Sir, it is P delta V. Sir, it is P delta V. Isobaric. Isobaric. These things, this and this point we already knew. Okay, this and this point we already knew about. Fine. Let me know in the chat box. Clear and written. Are you getting all these things? These are very easy things, right? अगदी शांतपणे एक एक गोष्ट करतोय ना मी. Are you feeling that this is very easy? Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Expecting reply from everyone. रोजच्या गोष्टी आहेत ना, फिजिक्स मध्ये या रोजच्या गोष्टी आहेत ना, डेली टास्क. ओके, बाय हात का खेल है ना. काय सांगताय सर, उजव्या हाताने लिहिताय आणि ठीक आहे, दाहिने हाथ का खेल. But I hope now you can see that things are very simple. If you are logical enough, थोडंफार जरी आमच्याकडे लॉजिक असेल ना, these things are very easy in physics. Okay, nothing is difficult, but at least some logic is demanded, right? At least some logic is demanded, and for that only you have to take efforts. Once you develop somewhat logic, that is enough. Okay, that will suffice for the entire physics. All right. But for everyone it will take somewhat different amount of time. Okay, one may develop that logic in 1 month, another may develop the same logic in 6 months. Okay, but that is okay, but ultimately everyone will get it. Just don't worry, ultimately everyone will get it. Okay, the things will become very easy once we are at the end of the 12th standard. Okay, everything, all the things will become very easy. Okay, now let's do the work done calculation for cyclic process. Okay, that's very interesting. Now write down cyclic process. Okay, work done in cyclic process. Now this is going to be a interesting thing. Okay, let us draw some cyclic processes. Let us try to draw some cyclic processes. Okay, let us draw the cyclic process like this: A to B, A to B, and then B to A. All right. Okay. Now tell me, work done in the cyclic process. In this cyclic process, 0 or non-zero? 0 or non-zero? Z or N? Work done in this cyclic process, 0 or non-zero? Work done in this cyclic process, 0 or non-zero? Z or N? I'm getting both the types of answer, non-zero as well as 0. Okay. See, work done in the process A, B and BA. So work done in cyclic process, you have to write all the individual works and you simply have to add them, because work done is a scalar quantity. You can simply add it. Yes, work can be a positive value. Yes, work can be a 0 value. Yes, work can be a negative value. But it is a scalar value, so you can simply add up to get the final answer. So work done in the cyclic process is equal to work done in all the individual processes. First process is process AB. First process is process AB plus work done in the process B to C. Now you people tell me, are the work done in the process AB and BC same? These two work dones are same or different, S or D? Tell me. Work done in the process AB and work done in the process BC are same or different? Not BC, B to A. A to B is this part and B to A is this part. They are same or different? S or D? Work done is area under the pressure volume graph. Work done is a path function. It depends on the path. Whether it is this path or this path, it will depend on the path. It will depend on the path. So these works are different. Okay, sir. I made a mistake, right? I made a mistake. I shall write, or let me write this point as C and let me write this point as D. That will avoid the confusion. Okay. So you just rub this, or you may write it like this. Work done in the process A, C, B. Let me take just one more point so that it will define the path clearly. A, C, B plus work done in the path B, D, A. B, D, A. A, C, B and B, D, A. All right. Now these two work dones are going to be different things. Okay. These are going to be different values. Okay, sir. Fine. What is the work done in the process ACB? Sir, it is this area under the curve. It is this area under the curve. Try to understand. Try to understand. Work done in the process ACB. And what is the work done in the process BDA? Sir, it is this area under the curve. Sir, it is this area under the curve. Okay. Now, can you tell me what will be the sign of this work done? ACB work done will be positive or negative? ACB work done will be positive or negative? Good. Everyone is giving the correct answer. ACB. Sir, volume increase, expansion. ACB. Volume increase, expansion. Perfect answer. Positive. Okay. So this is going to be a positive value plus some positive number, let's say n1. Numerical value is, let's say, n1, and it is going to be a positive. What is the BDA work done, positive or negative? Sir, volume is decreasing. BDA volume is decreasing, so it is going to be a negative number. It's going to be a negative number. Numerical value is, let's say, n2. Okay. Now, which numerical value will be more? Which numerical value will be more? ACB, that area under the curve will be more, or BDA, n1 will be more, or n2 will be more? Which numerical value will be more? Check it out. N1 or N2? N1 or N2? Everyone is giving the correct answer. So N1 is more. Okay. So एक नंबर है जो पॉझिटिव्ह आहे आणि मोठा आहे, एक नंबर आहे जो निगेटिव्ह आहे आणि छोटा आहे. सो बाळ, फायनल आन्सर काय येईल? एक्झाम्पल, लेट्स से +5 प्लस -3. आन्सर विल बी +2. Answer will be +2. Okay, answer will be +2. Okay. So, sir, you actually found out this area. See, these vertical lines and the horizontal lines will cancel out each other. Here, they will cancel out each other. These works will get cancelled and this work will remain. Are you getting this? So, what is 5? 5 is total amount of work done. In ACB is a work done 5, BDA is a work done -3, BDA is a work done -3, 5 -3 cancel झालं, remaining जे आहे ते इथे आहे. So sir, what we shall say is this, try to understand. So sir, in short, can we say that this is the work done? Area enclosed is the actually work done. Forget about this part. Now this is going to be the work done. Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no. This is going to be work done in cyclic process. Area enclosed inside the curve. Area enclosed inside the curve is actually the work done in the cyclic process. Shall I say that? This total, which was positive number, plus this means actually minus, because it is a compression. So this total work done minus this work done, this will remain. Okay. So are you convinced that work done in the cyclic process, is equal to area enclosed in the cycle or inside the cycle? Whatever the cycle is given to you, area enclosed in the pressure volume cycle. This is a pressure volume cycle, pressure volume graph. Okay, that area is actually the work done. Now you can very easily observe that when the curve is traced clockwise, when this cyclic process is clockwise, positive work is more and negative work is less. When the curve is traced clockwise, positive work is more and negative work is less, so total work is positive. So we also have to write when cyclic process is clockwise, work done in cyclic process is positive, because for clockwise process positive work is more and negative work is less, so total work is positive. And similarly, when cyclic process is anti-clockwise, when cyclic process is anti-clockwise, in that case what will happen? Just try to observe here, don't change the diagram. In case of anti-clockwise process, positive work will be less, because work done in expansion is positive. Positive work will be less positive number, you will get a smaller positive number. Positive work will be less and negative work will be more, because that area is more, so negative work will be more. So if the curve is anti-clockwise, or if the cycle is traced anti-clockwise, in that case positive work will be less and negative work will be more, so total work will be negative. So for anti-clockwise process, work done in cyclic process is negative. So clockwise la positive, anti-clockwise la negative. Let us do that diagram as it was. Fine. Now let me know in the chat box, is this convention, logic and explanation clear to all of you, that area enclosed inside the pressure volume cycle is the work done in cyclic process? Zara baga. Let me know in the chat box. So now we have idea about work done in cyclic process as well. Good. Now you just tell me when the work is positive and negative. They have given some examples. Let's see. Okay. This is pressure. This is volume. They have drawn some circle, but let me tell you that it's not a circle. Okay. It's an ellipse. It cannot be a circle. It's an ellipse. You have to use the formula of area of ellipse. Okay. Don't use pi r square, otherwise you will get a wrong answer. Okay. It's not the circle. It's not the circle. Okay. It is actually pressure volume graph. Fine. So let me give you some values. Okay. Now all of us know that this is going to be the work done in the cyclic process, area enclosed. Okay. Now you may be thinking of, sir, just do pi r square and find out the answer. No, that will give you wrong answer. Okay. In that case, what you will do, you will simply write, sir, pi into r square will be pi. आपल्याला जॉमेट्री मधला एरिया काढायचा नाहीये, तो एरिया वेगळा, हा एरिया अंडर द कर्व वेगळा, हा प्रेशर व्हॉल्यूम वाला एरिया आहे, तो नुसता पाय आर स्क्वेअर वाला एरिया आहे, याचं युनिट मीटर स्क्वेअर असते, या एरियाचं युनिट जूल येणार आहे. पाय आर स्क्वेअर करून जो एरिया काढला जातो, that area is actually is measured in meter square. This area is going to be in joule. Pressure volume work done आहे ते, it is going to be joule. Fine. So sir, we may do this mistake. Okay, let us not do this mistake, but let me show you how the mistake will be done. Pi into r square, pi into, sir, we have to find out radius, so let us first find out diameter and let us make it upon 2. So sir, v2 minus v1 is the diameter of the circle, so this is diameter upon 2 and bracket square. Okay. अरे बा, शेवटी तू आन्सर असं काढलंस. Okay, now volume square, volume चं unit काय? What is the unit of volume? Sir, unit of volume is meter cube. Meter cube चा square, it is meter raised to 6. Okay, meter raised to 6 असं युनिट काढलं आपण वर्क डन चं. आपण काय केलं, आपण मीटर रेस्ट टू 6 असं वर्क डन चं युनिट काढलं. So is the mistake clear to all of you? काय करायचं नाही समजलं? काय करायचं नाही समजलं का? So how to find it out, sir? We know this is going to be the work done. It looks like a circle, and sir, you are saying that we cannot use the formula pi r square. Yes, you cannot use the formula pi r square, otherwise you will end up in doing the mistake. Okay, sir, then what to do? Fine. Let's say in that case we are given the pressure values. This value pressure P2, this value of the pressure P1. So sir, Can we take this as a diameter and upon 2 as a radius? No. Again, you will end up with doing the same mistake. This as a diameter you cannot take. This as a diameter you cannot take. Okay, so then what to do? So you have to assume it as the ellipse. Okay. So what is the area of the ellipse? You told me what is the area of the, or we just did the area of trapezoid. Okay. Similar to that, do you know what is the area of ellipse? Physics chapter number 1. Now being useful. Generally we ignore these formulae. Okay. What is area of ellipse? Everyone. I'm getting the answers. Good. Anyone else want to answer it? What is the area of ellipse? This is going to be our work done in the cyclic process. Can we not find it? आठवत नाही आहे ना? का बरं आठवत नाही आहे? का नाही पाठ केलं आम्ही? का नाही त्याला स्टार मार्क करून ठेवला त्या फॉर्म्युलाला? माहित आहे ना, नॉन ऑब्वियस फॉर्म्युला आहे, आठवणार नाहीये. स्टार मार्क करून ठेवला पाहिजे, 10-15 दिवस वाचला पाहिजे, सारखं 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 सारखं. Fine. So everyone is writing the answer as pi AB. Yes, it's pi AB. What is A? A is semi-major axis. What is B? B is semi-minor axis. Semi of minor axis. Similarly, what is A? A is semi of major axis. Half of major axis. Now you can consider any axis as major, any axis as minor. That actually doesn't matter. Okay. So let us try to write down the formula for work done in the cyclic process. Pi. What is this A? What is this A? Sir, A is, we can write this A as major axis upon 2, means semi-major axis. What is the major axis? V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1, major axis, upon 2, semi-major axis, multiplied by B. What is B? B is semi of minor axis. Let's say this is the minor axis. What is minor axis? P2 minus P1. What is the minor axis? P2 minus P1. Upon 2, because semi, half. Semi means half. Okay. So that shall be the formula, right? That shall be the formula. 2 to 4, V2 minus V1 and P2 minus P1. Now let us give a verification. Now for verification, let's verify. V2 is more, V1 is less. So this is going to be a positive value. P2 is more, P1 is less. So this is going to be a positive value. So for time being, we have found out the work as a numerical value. For time being, we have found out work as numerical value, because in the options, it can be written like this. One option as this, another option as this. गडबड केली तर आंसर चुकणार. Only this sequence V2 minus V1, here the sequence is V1 minus V2. Okay. So again, the same verification, same method you have to use. Check, pi by 4 is a positive value, V2 minus V1. V2 is more, V1 is less. So this is a positive number. P2 minus P1. P2 is higher, P1 is less. So P2 minus P1 is positive. Okay. So right now we have just found out the numerical value. Okay, sir. Now tell me whether this process is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Arrow. C or A, clockwise or anti-clockwise? At least that you should identify. It's a anti-clockwise process. अरे बा numerical value काढली. Numerical value काढली. Anti-clockwise process है. Work done is positive or negative. Anti-clockwise process. Work done positive or negative. P or N. Numerical value we found out. It's a negative value. So now the compensation you have to add here as minus sign. Okay, so here we just found out the mod. Okay, mod of work done. Okay, here we just found out mod of work done, numerical value, by using the formula of area of ellipse. Okay, now actual work done will be equal to minus of this, and let us justify the minus sign because it's anti-clockwise. I made a mistake. I have to write this numerical value as it is. I made a mistake. Pi by 4 as it is, V2 minus V1 as it is, P2 minus P1 as it is, and now for the compensation I will add the minus sign and I will write this numerical value as it is, V2 minus V1. I know this is going to be a positive number, numerical value, and this minus sign for this anti-clockwise since it's anti-clockwise cycle. Is that clear? Now this minus sign can be taken in and it may be written as V1 minus V2, or might be this minus sign will be taken in this bracket, so they may write P1 minus P2. So that kind of questions you can tackle very easily now, because initially it seems a circle but it's not a circle. You cannot use the formula pi r square, you will get a wrong answer. Clear? Just reply me fast everyone. This point I want all of you to be clear with. Okay, clear and written. Good. Fine. So we are preparing for the questions now. Okay, we are preparing for the questions. Okay, युद्धाची तयारी. बंदुकीत गोळ्या घालून घ्यायला लागलोय आपण. आता एक क्वेश्चन आला की त्याच्यावरती शूट करायचं. Fine. So now sir, we know that if the process is clockwise cycle, it is going to be the positive work done. If it is going to be anti-clockwise cycle, it is going to be a negative work done. Even though they draw a circle, we know that it's not a circle, it's an ellipse. So we have to use the formula of area of ellipse. Fine, sir. Okay. So example 10. Write down the heading as example 10. How much time we have in this meeting? We have 40 seconds. Let us take a break. Let us take a break of 40 seconds. Then the meeting will end and then we will rejoin. Okay. You also take a break of 40 seconds. Okay, or you may just ask the doubts. If we know the equation of the ellipse, okay. Let me read that chat. If we know the equation of the ellipse, then by integration we can find out the area. Yes, equation of the ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. And now integrate it, that will take large amount of time. And ultimately, you end up in the formula pi AB.